I can't believe what I'm hearing.
Overcome unless we band together and unite as one. Our current heroes comprise of 303. You will be compensated for every individual monster you defeat.
I've killed more people than you've met, Mr. Hero. Wanna try me?
These little wimps.
She's good. Her prophecy's spot on. She knew a god-level threat.
Who are you?
The name's Garo. Wrecked a ton of so-called tough guys. Don't make me wait all day. Bring it on.
Cease this foolishness.
Foolishness?
We don't need you.
Cordially invited to a little slaughter party.
I've got a job for you three.
Strong! Night-night, Gramps! Heroes are always late to the party, while monsters take the initiative.
Immediately! All of them!
Went across. Spectacular debut, huh? Today was my declaration of war.
Are my orders understood?
Yes. Very much, Miss Blizzard.
We have moved up the ranks, Master Saitama. It is because nowadays monsters appear almost daily. You defeat them, but you do not report those In other words, the citizenry is watching you. Your identity as a hero is becoming well known. Actually, I do have a fan club.
Seriously?
A human? What do you want?
Where's Saitama? Tama's rival, and I'm here to settle the score. Now out of my way.
Speed is sound sonic. Nated.
Quite bold, aren't you? Okay then, just try to stop me.
Rank 7, Saitama! Step outside! Class B Rank 1 Hellish Blizzards who outrank you!
How do you do, Class B hero Saitama?
Ah, okay then. Keep up the good work. We good?
Selves to Hellish Blizzard.
Like, formally?
Are you aware of the various factions in the hero business?
Factions? Like what?
Like rivals.
I'm not getting this at all, and I'm kinda busy. So what you're saying is, if I refuse to align myself with you, you'll stand in my way. Are you afraid that I might take your rank 1 spot? Look, don't worry about it. I'll make Class A pretty soon.
Time to teach him a lesson.
Yes.
Rough him up so bad he never works as a hero again.
You won't survive like that, Blizzard. Is this idea?
I will make you regret ever choosing to mock me, fool. I'll kill you. Flesh peels away, bones crack. The brutality of it all breaks your will.
Top ranker, you're kinda sensitive.
I'll crush you!
You don't get what it, even if that means doing it alone. This whole act is pathetic. Show heroes some respect, poser.
Shut up! You don't know me!
Huh?
Master Saitama, apologies. I kicked up some dust around your home.
I caught a glimpse of Sonic in the chaos. What were the two of you doing?
Master Saitama's disciple.
His disciple? But you outrank him.
But he is stronger than anticipated, and now you are near death from fighting him, correct?
Nah, not really. This is gonna take a minute, so you can go home if you want.
Watch, Saitama! Bear witness! After I turn your disciple into scrap,
Master, this stalker's presence is an affront. I will do the world a favor and I have got. You lose, wretched fool.
I can't see a thing.
He dodged it? Wait!
Movement to create after images. It's called Fourfold Funeral. Now die!
Cannons, maximum intensity!
It's done!
You soft.
I'd just rather my entire neighborhood didn't get blown down. Come at me, bro.
Your technique! Tenfold Funeral!
A hero at Saitama's level stands no chance against him. Even so...
Killer move, serious series. Serious sideways jumps.
What was that?
I just did some sideways jumps, but I guess...
Is he dead?
I wasn't trying to kill him.
could never make it to number 1. I had intelligence, stamina, street smart, tornado. Because if I remain in this position, I could control all the heroes below me and with them, gather enough strength. I'd have no problem climbing the ranks of Class A. I'd never be rank 1.
Was found frozen in ice and revived by a miracle of science. Soup poem, right? That merciful.
There's King, who they call the strongest man, and Blast, who stands atop the hero world.
I mean, nothing really. Still, I think I'll pass on your generous offer.
Yo, Saitama here? It's no biggie. Just give it back.
I erased your save.
Wait, what? Oh, the button's all smushed in.
Yet powerful heroes are drawn to him.
If only I were one of them.
It is because he is strong.
14 Genos, and Class B, rank 7 Saitama. And based on his appearance, Saitama's name will be Caped Baldy. Easy fellow who calls himself a monster? No need to panic, Sitch. He's just a man, Sitch, nothing more.
Who the hell are you? I'm a Class A hero, not a criminal.
Gotta say, I'm not impressed. I look forward to finding one who can battle a monster-class hero.